What if I told you that you could make money online without creating a huge course, stocking inventory, or spending hours on customer service? Imagine building a system once, uploading a simple digital product, and watching it earn money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the crazy truth. Thousands of creators are quietly generating passive income with digital products. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius or spend months building a business. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your first digital product the lazy way and start generating income with minimal effort. The secret to lazy passive income isn't about being careless. It's about working smart and leveraging digital tools. Traditional businesses trade time for money. The more hours you work, the more you earn. Digital products flip that equation. You create something once, like a template, guide, or digital asset, and it can be sold hundreds of times with almost zero additional effort. It's like planting a tree once and harvesting fruit for years. The effort is upfront, but the payoff is continuous. Let's talk about the easiest types of digital products to create. Templates are one of the fastest ways to start. For example, a Notion dashboard for content planning, a habit tracker, or a budgeting spreadsheet. With AI tools, you can structure the template, generate example content, and design it visually in under an hour. Once uploaded to a platform like Etsy or Gumroad, it's ready to sell. Buyers love templates because they save time and make life easier, which is exactly what passive income is all about. Another lazy option is AI-generated guides or mini ebooks. Pick a topic people are searching for, like productivity hacks, freelance tips, or social media strategies. Then use AI to generate outlines, write the content, and even suggest formatting. With minimal tweaks to add your personal touch, you have a professional product ready to sell in record time. The beauty is, once it's online, it keeps selling without you needing to actively promote it constantly. AI prompt packs are also a goldmine for lazy creators. As AI tools become more common, people struggle to craft effective prompts. By creating a pack of prompts for specific purposes, like blog writing, marketing ideas, or social media content, you provide a ready-made solution. The product is simple, fast to create, and highly valuable because it saves users time and frustration. Once you sell one pack, you can replicate the idea with different themes or niches, creating multiple passive income streams. Printable products like planners, trackers, checklists, and coloring pages are perfect for minimal effort, maximum output. AI tools can generate professional designs in minutes. For example, a weekly planner or a meal prep tracker can be created, exported as a PDF, and uploaded online. Buyers download instantly, print it, and use it. You never have to ship anything, and the product can continue selling indefinitely. Once you have a product, presentation is key. Even a lazy digital product needs to look appealing. Show screenshots, create a simple demo video, or design a polished cover using AI. Presentation helps buyers understand the value instantly. For example, showing a template in action, like organizing an entire month of content in minutes, demonstrates results better than a long description ever could. This is the difference between a product that sits untouched and one that converts consistently. Pricing is simple. Start low to get the first buyers and feedback. Products between $10 to $25 are ideal for beginners. As you get reviews and proof of value, you can bundle products or increase the price slightly. Many creators find that simple bundles almost double their income without adding extra work. Think of it as adding toppings to an already delicious product. Small tweaks, big impact. Traffic doesn't have to be complicated. Short videos, Instagram posts, TikTok clips, or Pinterest pins showing how your product works are enough to attract buyers. You don't need a full marketing team. Demonstrate value in seconds, provide a clear call to action, and let the product sell itself. With this approach, your lazy system keeps running while you focus on creating the next product or enjoying your free time. The real beauty of digital products is scalability. Once you create one template, guide, or AI pack, it can be sold hundreds or thousands of times. The more products you create, the bigger your passive income stack becomes. And the best part? You don't need to keep reinventing the wheel. Repurpose ideas, tweak designs, or bundle existing products into new packages to increase revenue with minimal effort. The key mindset for lazy passive income is simple. Focus on high-value, easy-to-create products that solve a clear problem. Don't overcomplicate. You don't need hundreds of features or thousands of pages. Start small, test the market, and optimize based on feedback. Even one simple product can start generating consistent income within days or weeks if executed correctly. Let's also talk about evergreen content. The beauty of digital products is that if you create something that people need constantly, it keeps selling long after launch. Templates for planning, AI prompts for marketing, or worksheets for students are used year after year. Unlike trendy products that die off quickly, evergreen products continue generating revenue without extra work. This is passive income at its finest. Create once, sell forever. You can also use AI tools to automate marketing. AI can generate captions, social media posts, or even short promotional videos for your product. That means you can create content to drive sales without spending hours brainstorming ideas. Combine this with marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, or Shopify, and your digital product can reach thousands of potential buyers worldwide. If you want to make this truly lazy, start with bundling. Once you have 2 or 3 products, package them together. For example, a habit tracker, goal planner, and productivity template could be sold as a bundle. Bundling increases perceived value, raises the price slightly, and encourages buyers to spend more, all while requiring almost no extra work on your end. Even customer service can be minimal. Because these are digital downloads, platforms handle delivery automatically. AI chatbots can help answer common questions. The point is, your product runs largely on autopilot. You set it up once, market it lightly, and then let it generate income in the background. So if you've ever thought you were too lazy to make money online, digital products prove otherwise. With AI, modern design tools, and marketplaces ready to handle sales and delivery, anyone can start building a passive income stream quickly. You don't need to work 12-hour days or spend months creating content. You just need one idea, a simple execution plan, and the willingness to put it online. If you found this video helpful and want to see more ways to create passive income without working harder, make sure to subscribe to the channel. In future videos, I'll show step-by-step guides for building AI-powered digital products, marketing hacks that save time, and methods to grow your income while keeping your work minimal. Hit subscribe and start building your lazy passive income today.